Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to set alarm in Samsung phone. So if I don't know this, you find this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the clock app or come to search and search for clock. Open the clock app. Then on the clock app page, you should say alarm. Then you should say alarm. If you have any alarm here, you should see the alarm here. Otherwise, you should see no alarms. Now go ahead and click on the plus icon. Then set your alarm. Select the time here. So let's say the alarm is set to 5 a.m. Now come to where you have date, then select the time you want the alarm to wake you at exactly 5 a.m. Once they are selected, you should say all day, and if you want to exclude a particular day, just unselect the day. And then after that, give your alarm a name. So I'm just going to say this is alarm. Once you give your alarm a name, the next one to do is you can see alarm sound, turn on alarm sound. If you want to use vibration, turn on vibration, otherwise disable vibration. Then again, scroll down, you can use snooze. And to save the alarm, just go ahead and click on save. And then you see your alarm is set, and then you're good. So that's exactly how to set alarm in Samsung. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.